Thanks again for checking it as we take a look at your local forecast on a national level, of course. But the spotty severe weather threat will happen across the Midwest today and tomorrow. In fact, today we have an enhanced threat, so the local areas in eastern and north and South Dakota will have some severe weather concerns of large hail, damaging winds, and maybe tornadoes. Looking at heavy pockets of rain across some areas around the nation, and then the eastern U.S. looks to be warmer than average as we head into next week. But there's the enhanced threat today. Again, large hail, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. And then the line of thunderstorms moving into Minnesota late tonight and early tomorrow morning, starting to diminish, but then we'll have some redevelopment again on Thursday across the Midwest. But that line of thunderstorms actually looks pretty beefy. Again, kind of watching that threat late today, and then by tomorrow the threat shifts into Wisconsin mainly for some large hail and damaging winds. And then by Friday, I think we'll have a little bit better chance of some isolated strong storms from the eastern Great Lakes into parts of the Ohio Valley. But as we take a look at the 5-day precipitation forecast, precipitation amounts will be a little bit heavier in spots to the far north, certainly heavy to the southeast from the Carolinas, the mid-Atlantic states down to Florida, and right along the coast of the Gulf Coast region. And then still seeing some pretty decent amounts of rain over the Four Corners region thanks to the monsoon moisture. So that could lead to flooding. But as we take a look at the 6 to 10-day temperature outlook, August 8th through the 12th, which is into next week, shows that the eastern two-thirds of the nation, especially the south central and southeast part of the nation, will be warmer than average, but we see some cooler than average conditions back to the west. All right, temperatures will be warmer out ahead of this wave of energy crossing right across the international border. That's our severe threat. Then on the back side of it, we actually start to cool down briefly here by the end of the week in this upcoming weekend, but then you can see that temperature starting to warm back up back to the west. So for today, we've got readings on the back side of this area of low pressure anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees below average, but we're warmer than average in the central U.S. by 5 to 10 degrees. More triple-digit heat in Dallas.